Welcome back to QandA. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get all new updates. And so let's begin our video. So today's video we'll do recreating paper doll of twin tag Ayesha Firoz. Okay, so yeah guys, like one of my friend gave me this challenge to recreate her it's not her twin tags paper doll. Okay, if you guys don't forget to like this video, subscribe, press the bell icon, and also share with your friends and families. And if you have any suggestions or questions or anything, you can just comment below and ask the questions below. Okay, so yeah, let's continue. So in this frog guys, also you could see it's not looking so good, and like the other parts I will also do, you will see them. Okay, so yeah, now we'll draw one thing. Yeah, see this side sleeve. Okay, so sleeves are like that. Okay, so let's try to do. And now I'm doing the hands guys, and let's color legs are also done, so pink heart I'm going to do. And yeah guys, the frog she did sky color, but here also she did sky, so I am not doing sky, I am doing it green. Okay, so let us continue. And guys, the skin portion like the hands, legs and the face, she like Ayesha Firoz has done it, colored it also with skin color, but I will not color, I will keep it white only. Okay, and yeah, let's continue with this pink color. And yeah, I've completed the pink color. Now I'm doing the eyes with black sketch pen, and I will do the borders and all. After it I will do the smile. Okay, let's continue. And after 1000 subscribers I will do my face reveal winner. After 1 lakh subscribers I will do Q&A part 2 with face reveal. So if you haven't seen my Q&A part 1, no problem, you can check it out, the link is in the description box. And after 1 million subscribers I will be doing a video on the topic how I edit my videos. So guys, you could say our borders are all done. Okay, now the bit of the sock is left, this sock. And yeah guys, now it is done. So now the smile portion, and it's looking so beautiful. Now we have to cut it out, so let's do. So I've cut it out, and now to draw another of that in the paper. I did that. Now you have to cover that this one with sellotape, and I did that also, and I've stick both of them together, and I've put cotton inside them also, and I've did the hair also with wool, so you could say it's looking so beautiful. But I've used sellotape to stick it, not glue. So then also it's good, by guys, and I love this doll. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you haven't seen these videos yet, then don't forget to check them right now. So bye.